I started networking with other moms and a few fathers that this was happening to, mostly moms. And we were connecting the dots. We were helping each other. We were talking until 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. We were sharing. This was before I was gagged. I could share whatever I wanted. So before you get gagged, share everything that you can, not on social media.
Yeah.
Not on social media, privately within your network, and make sure your network is real. I didn't talk to people if I didn't know their dockets. I didn't talk to people if I didn't know their case was legitimate, because there are some moles out there. Like I think that's easy to be said. And so I did a lot of that, and then I lost my third attorney in December of 2022, I think it was. Yes. And I was supposed to have a hearing in January of 2023 in the middle of all of that, because the alienation industry is creating so much havoc, in my opinion, and in publicity because of what is happening. I was contacted by a wonderful, amazing law firm in New York, Shepherd Mullen. Actually, it's Shepherd Mullen, Richter, and Hampton, but for short, we'll call it Shepherd Mullen. And it was a miracle that they wanted to take on a case against Linda Gottlieb and Turning Points, which is her reunification business. I don't really know what to call it. I have my opinions, but I will stay professional. And so it's a double lawsuit. It's against her personally, and it's against her as a business. And it is right now just in the judge's hands to move forward. And we're just kind of being patient. You know, patience is key. But when it comes to getting my kids back, so one thing a therapist told me, so, you know, they send you on this rabbit hole. You have to be treated for parental alienation. Ironically, I was diagnosed with it from a magistrate, which is like one step from a judge in Ohio.
Huh.
Like I never talked to Linda Gottlieb before. She never talked to either one of my children. The only person that she had communication, well, the only people she had communication with was my ex and his attorney. And what's interesting is I discovered that a city next to me had a mother who had went through this 3 months prior to my case. It's West versus West in Greene County, Ohio. And Linda Gottlieb also was part of that case, and she had her kids taken. And it's the whole collaboration of that industry, the people that are involved, it's attorneys, you know. So like I did what the courts wanted me to do. I went to therapist. I showed him my court order. I told him, apparently I'm a parental alienator. I didn't believe it for a second. For one, I wasn't. My kids experienced what they experienced. I saw it on camera. It was diagnosed by doctors. It was abuse, without a doubt.